This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the bonnet and pull up the rubber seal along the edge of the windscreen cowl panel. Prise out the screw covers, then remove the cowl panel screws and slide out the half panel on the passenger side. Undo the screw, prise out the clips and remove the intermediate panel. Release the two clips at the front edge, open the filter cover and pull the filter element from the housing. Note the arrows on the top of the new element which indicate airflow down into the cabin. Slide the new element into the housing. Close the filter cover and secure it with the clips. Refit the intermediate panel, press down the clips and tighten the retaining screw. Manoeuvre the cowl panel into position, tighten the retaining screws and refit the covers. Press the rubber seal down firmly onto the flange.